Hello and good morning. This is Shree for Just Nailed It. It is like 10:14 in the morning on a Friday morning. I'm feeling just a little bit early. Whew, that's had me a coughing fit from you know where. We got us a Vita Vegemin mask. Really is, I'm channeling I Love Lucy. A Vita mask. This is a pearl sheet mask. I think it's going to be party with added I don't even know what the word is. I think it's going to be pretty, really pretty. I think this is probably a 10-15 minute mask, like all the typicals. Wash your face first, make sure it's clean. Make sure it's clean. Got it at Walmart, it's $3, $3.18 out the door. Oh, buddy, I think it's gonna be juicy. Ooh. Left over some bottles of polish. I have to say I got 50 bottles of polish that automatically stay on my... Oh yeah, this is a juicy one. It's a wet one. It's a wet one. It's a wet one. Oh, it's not got no color to it. I'm a little bummed out. Here is our mask. It was dark. I know I'm a little silly right there. Boy, is this wet. This pearl mask. There's a scent to it and I can't quite place it and I'm not sure I like it. Not sure I like it. Sorry. Don't mean to get up close and personal with ya. So it's 10:17, so I'm going to hand this on 15 minutes. People may come in and say, I thought it was blue, I thought it was purple. It's kind of a shifting polish in a way, where it's like a blurple. Depends how the light hits it. The Sally Hansen's. The shifting kinda. Let me see if I can show it to you correctly. I know there was one girl, Kiki, who she's like, oh, it's purple. Well, it's kind of depends on how the light hits it, honey. So there you go. This is like $8 at Walmart, eight and some change. Kind of want to put Michael. Put my mask on. I gotta quit touching it. Gotta quit touching it. Let's get Michael on. So, I want some honest responses here. How many of you went and watched all my PR videos this couple weeks back from Temu? I had a couple of those out where I had a recap that the company wasn't quite pleased with my first one. Because I stumbled too much for them. I was nervous, but I my rep wouldn't give me the prices, the links with all the prices, so I was trying to do it on my phone and put the prices up on the screen for the video, which I like to do anyways in case they want it on the spot. Hey, how much was it? Well, it's $1.39, $1.29, 99 cents, whatever. So I was just trying to do that myself, but the company wasn't pleased that I was fumbling too much. Oh. Anyway, so I redid that. I had a couple three Model 1s, 4 Model 1s videos. I feel like I can't see. Probably won't have this one on too long. 3 minutes. So, but let me comment down below. Let me know how many of you supported me and went to the mat and did some time for me and watched those. I'd really like to know. The PR videos are really important to me. Really important. So if you haven't, please go watch them. I think PR videos are important to all of us creators, whether if you're doing nails or whatnot, but PR videos are important, especially when they're new companies. Temu is new to me. I'm a brand new influencer. This was my first campaign. It was a big haul. It was a big haul. They gave me $50 to spend. I spent 48 and some change. And hold on. So I spent 48 and some change, and I bought, oh my god, I gotta cut this. This is gonna be bonkers. Oh, I put it to right. I bought like 9 sets of nails. I went crazy. I went bonkers buying nail sets. Yeah, I'm not gonna have this on too long. Oh my. Oh, it's ripping on me. Aww. This is a thin mask. I gotta quit touching it. So I bought 9 sets of nails. I'm sorry. Text message from my friend saying you just totally threw me off. I bought 9 sets of nails. I really like them. Go check out Temu. I've got an affiliate link, which I will leave down in the description box, as well as a code FAV, Frank, Alan, Victor, 41566. I think they're going to give me a bunch of codes. I'm not really certain. They're not forthcoming with too much information, my rep. They kind of just leave you out, fluttering about out there by the seat of your pants. Or at least my person does. Kind of just, here, figure things out for yourself. So, I don't know, I'm not getting too much help from other people, so bear with me when it comes to Temu, really do. If you're a first-time shopper, please use my code. If you would like to become an affiliate for Temu, I can help you become an affiliate, and we can flounder about together and figure things out. But I'm going to pause, let this soak in, my pearl, Vita Vita Vitamin, and we'll be back when my 15 minutes is up. Alrighty, we're back. Our time is up. It's been 15 minutes. It's time to take Michael off our face. Michael. Oh, this I should unhook my ears. Oh, we got residue. This was like a paper sheet mask, I'm gonna have to say. because it tore like nobody's business. It tore super, super easy. Really super easy. Do like it. It's very dewy. Very dewy. Take it, rub it on your hands. Feels really good. Leave your excuse me, your mask out to dry, or hang it to dry. I'm gonna hang it off my ring light, my stand. That feels so good. So again, I had from Walmart the pearl mask. There was a paper sheet. Ooh, it even says on a sheet mask. With added something so I can't see to pronounce. It's even dripping on my paper towel. So it's very juicy, very dewy. I still vote for the ones price-wise from the Dollar Tree or the ones off of Temu. I ordered ones that was 9 of them for $8 and some change. They were honey, or they have other ones flavored, fragrant, whatever you want to call them. I say for flavored. I do have a video coming about that. Excuse me. But this is my Mask Monday and the mask that I used. Fix your eyebrows. I rather enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next week. Have a blessed day and thank you.